Morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well. Let me cover my coffee here so it's not steaming. Okay. Hi, guys. Hope you all are doing well. This morning, February 10th already, in our devotional, it says, a busy bee. Matthew 6, verse 21. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Matthew 6, verse 24. No one can serve two masters. Either you will hate the one and love the other, or you will be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve both God and money. Ephesians chapter 5, verses 15 through 17. See then that you walk circumspectly, not as fools, but as wise, redeeming the time, because the days are evil. Therefore, do not be unwise, but understand what the will of the Lord is. Isaiah chapter 55, verse 1 and 2. Come, all you who are thirsty, come to the waters, and you will have no money. Come, buy and eat. Come, buy wine and milk without money and without cost. Why spend money on what is not bread, and your labor on what does not satisfy? Listen to me, and eat what is good, and you will dwell in the riches of fare. In Exodus chapter 34, verse 21. 6 days you shall labor, but on the seventh day you shall rest. Even during the plowing season and the harvest you must rest. And at the bottom it says, what is keeping you so busy? Many men and women get caught up in a vortex of busyness that drains their energy, health, and emotions. Busyness traps men and women, making them part of the rat race and limiting their time with God and their families. Have you calculated the price of your busyness? It's not worth it to give up your health and relationships. Stop. Choose to be calmer and more focused on enjoying life with the people closest to you. And that is our devotional for today, February 10th. And that also is a good devotional. We should never be too busy to spend time with God. It's so important to spend one-on-one time with God. That's how you build your relationship with Him. And that's what's important. That's the most important thing, is your relationship with God and with Jesus Christ. So that's all I have for you all. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server for, I do Bible studies 3 times a week. Christine does Bible studies almost every day. And Jess does Bible studies 4 times a week. So join us on there and get a little bit of God in each and every day. You can just listen in as you're doing your everyday chores. Oh, also, you don't have to be on your knees every time you talk to God. I just want to throw that out there. You can be talking to God as you're driving down the road. You can be talking to God as you're working at your job. You can be talking to God as you're doing the dishes or cooking or doing laundry. You don't have to be on your knees every time you talk to God. I talk to Him all throughout the day, just different things. I mean, I remember a time me stopping my car on the side of the road and just praying, Lord, what store do you want me to go to today? Where would you like me to go today? Where would the money that you provide me be stretched the furthest? He will guide you. He will. I promise you that. But you don't, I just wanted to stress that you don't have to be on your knees every time you talk to God. You can be talking to him as you're doing laundry or whatever, driving or whatever, okay? All right, I just wanted to make that clear. I love you guys, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.